In today's rapidly evolving sales landscape, staying ahead isn't just about what you sell, but how you sell it. The inbound sales training offered by HubSpot Academy is more than just a course. It's a critical tool for sales professionals aiming to excel. Understanding and implementing sales strategies can drastically improve your ability to connect with today's empowered buyers, enhancing both your efficiency and effectiveness in closing deals. To get started, you'll need to create a free account with HubSpot if you don't already have one. Simply visit the link below in the comments and description. You can select the course you're interested in on the page and add your email to sign up. This opens the door not only to the inbound sales training, but also to a wide range of other courses available at no cost. It's worth noting that HubSpot Academy offers a plethora of courses designed to enhance various facets of your sales and marketing skills. From content marketing to email strategies and beyond, there's a wealth of knowledge waiting to be explored. We'll dive deeper into these courses in some upcoming videos. The inbound sales training helps you explore how to identify active buyers, how to personalize outreach, and how to understand the buyer's context, among other skills. This course is structured to not only teach you these concepts, but to also equip you with the practical tools to apply them directly to your sales process. Through interactive lessons, quizzes, and community discussions, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of how to align your sales strategy with the buyer's journey. Let's break down the course content so that you understand the full scope and how it can transform your sales approach. The course begins with a brief 1-minute introduction to inbound sales, immediately inviting you to join the inbound sales study group and the HubSpot community. This initial step sets the stage for a collaborative learning experience, providing a platform for discussion and exchange with other HubSpot users and possibly your peers. The fundamentals section dives into the core of why inbound sales matter. It takes about 18 minutes of content and a quick quiz to test your grasp. And then here you'll explore the shift towards adopting an inbound sales strategy, distinguishing it from traditional methods and fostering a deeper understanding of what makes inbound sales distinct. A critical aspect of inbound sales is identifying and prioritizing active buyers. Through lessons totaling about 30 minutes, you'll learn to define a good fit prospect, listen for signs of active buying intent, and employ social selling techniques. The section is rich with strategies for enriching leads with buyer context, and it culminates in a quiz to check on your knowledge and your understanding so far. Personalization is the key in capturing the attention of modern buyers. And this part of the course lasts again another 30 minutes and covers personalized outreach tactics, including how to connect with inbound leads and leverage trigger events and common connections to transition smoothly to the explore phase. Practical guidance on using your CRM and sales tools effectively is also provided here. Understanding your buyer's context is crucial. Over another 30 minutes, you'll go deeper into establishing a qualification framework, initiating exploratory calls, and exploring a prospect's goals and challenges to motivate action. The section is designed to enhance your ability to qualify leads effectively. The course then guides you through personalizing sales presentations, a 22-minute comprehensive walkthrough, from creating personalized presentations to recapping learned information and suggesting ways to achieve the buyer's goals. This ensures you're fully prepared to help the buyer make their decision. The culmination of your learning journey in this course is the Inbound Sales Certification exam, alongside opportunities for live events and community engagement. This certification isn't just passing an exam, it's about integrating these insights into your daily sales practices, fundamentally enhancing your approach to meet the demands of today's informed and empowered buyers. Embarking on HubSpot Academy's inbound sales training is more than a learning experience. It's a strategic step towards transforming your sales career. With this comprehensive certification, you'll be equipped to navigate the complexities of the modern sales landscape, build meaningful relationships with prospects, and drive results in a way that resonates with today's buyers. Completing the inbound sales certification from HubSpot Academy is a transformative step for any sales professional. It's about enhancing your ability to connect with and convert modern buyers, setting you apart in a crowded marketplace. This certification will not only broaden your understanding of the inbound sales process, but will also equip you with the practical skills needed to implement them effectively. For me, it really opened up my perspective and changed the way I thought about sales in a modern context. So give it a shot. Let me know what you think in the comments. And thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.